16900 Clifton. We're gonna be done on what day?
Tuesday.
So what do we got left?
We got a cleanup left, a couple of minor touch-ups, put in a hot water tank, which is going in today.
And we're getting the appliances.
And getting
the prices on the appliances. We already have a line on a good refrigerator, so we're getting a good deal on them, correct?
Absolutely.
All right. And you can see here, he's got the guys back here getting all this stuff. This is how we get rid of all the trash. Say hi.
Hi, boss.
So he's getting all this done in the back here. So let's go inside because they also got everything sprayed. Everything's pretty much done. It's just finishing up now. So and with the holidays, I just, I lost a week there. So, and we did get all this taken care of, and I'll get the price for this. You can see here where he cut this out, and you can see he's got all that. Yeah, and they're just going to put the cement in, correct?
Yep.
And there it is.
Yep. All of the underground work is done. Just got to do the surface.
And there's where he tore it out. What he went ahead and did, because we're going to cap it, but we went ahead and put the toilet in here because it was kind of lined up. So in the future, if we want to make this a bathroom, he just said, hey, let's go ahead and do that. He didn't charge us much extra for that at all.
$200.
Couple $100. So I said, go ahead and do it. That way it's ready to go, because that's really okay over here. It's just that I didn't like this the way it was. So we can create another toilet in here. And there's the water heater, the new one that we're going to be putting in. So ream. So, and that's going right here?
Yes.
All right. Anything else down here? The heater's running great.
Heater's running great.
So let me go upstairs here. And these guys that are doing the trash will also be doing another coat on here. They're doing it this weekend?
Yes.
So they're gonna put on another coat here, clean this one more time, and make it really nice and shiny on this. And you can see the new flooring in here. And there's the other, where's this toilet going? In that bathroom here? Or upstairs?
It's going somewhere. I just forgot.
Yeah,
7 bathrooms.
we got like 7 bathrooms. That's a new toilet we're putting in.
There you go.
Yeah, it goes in one of them. And then, as I said, they got he got everything sprayed as far as the bathrooms and everything. So again, there wasn't anything done in here because it's pretty much all done. And the ceilings, that all looks really good. Just finishing up. Are they doing anything else in here, Otis? All right. So this is all good. He's gonna put that. He's got to put.
Light covers.
Yep, one light cover. Yeah.
Pack up everything.
So you can see here's again. I'm going to show you how nice that looks, and we'll get that. That's a new toilet that we put in over there. I like new toilets because they go out, and we don't want to deal with it when somebody moves in. So here's another one. So there's a new toilet there. He sprayed this. Remember that was really yucky. There's your shower there. So that's sprayed.
They'll be touching up in that bathroom.
Yeah.
There's a couple of paint spots.
How much was that spray? How much did it cost to spray all those? $4,000. Wow.
And that was only because we are regular with it.
Yeah. So you go up here on the top, and again, everything's pretty much done here. So as you can see, it's all the same in here. And then we got that sprayed, and we got a new toilet. And we're gonna fix. Are you working on these windows at all? We'll make sure all the windows are working. And we're
this we may or may not cover.
Okay.
It's a little
And what about this? We're gonna make sure and get the handrail.
Yeah, they got to go redo over the steps, make sure they got all the pickup and polish the steps again.
What about the handrails?
And handrails. We got to get handrails up.
Yeah, insurance. So this is the first side. I'll get over to the second side. Thanks. But we'll have this one done on Tuesday. We'll get you the leasing docs. I'll get final pics and video. Thanks.